Win your morning, win your day. Win your morning, win your day. In order to become the person you dream of becoming, you need to watch yourself and your actions very closely. There is tremendous power in taking small, consistent actions to transform your life. Your morning routine will define the type of person you will become. Focus on the principles outlined in this video for building habits that lead to lasting positive change. Each morning, focus on small habits that compound over time, shaping the trajectory of your life. This 7-step method will change your life for the better and make you a happy and satisfied person. 1. Early start. Wake up early. Usually 5 a.m. in the morning is the most powerful time when the universe is waiting for you to lead. People who recognize the value of having dedicated time in the morning are in full control to set the tone for the day, to have a perfect day that others could only wish for. 2. Habit stacking. Execute habit stacking, a method of linking a new habit to an established one. 2. Trigger a morning habit like brushing your teeth and layer on new habits you want to incorporate to your daily routine to make them more ingrained in your life. 3. Prioritize key habits. By prioritizing key habits that align with your goals, you can ensure that your morning routine is purposeful and contributes to your overall success. 4. Continuous learning. The routine may involve time for reading or learning, reflecting your commitment to continuous improvement and gaining knowledge. 4. Life is all about learning. The day you stop learning is the day you are no longer a living organism. 5. Mindfulness. Be mindful. Be present in every moment you live and cherish the life God has given you. 5. Meditate, reflect and cultivate a positive mindset. 6. Physical activity. Exercise is a crucial component of living a life of action. Exercise will charge up your body to take on the challenges of your day and remove lethargy and laziness. This morning routine contributes not only to your physical health, but also to your mental well-being and visualization. Visualizing your ideal days is a powerful habit. Visualize your desired outcomes. This will reinforcing your commitment to having a wonderful day and automatically trigger the powerful habits to make your day a success. By focusing on small, positive, intentional actions and consistently incorporating them into your daily life, you will make each day of your life a successful and ultimately make your life a dream come true. Get up and get going. Happy life!